My community-based project is a lesson plan on symmetry. I chose to work with Mr. Jennings' special education class from Valley Springs High School. He teaches mostly life skills to 7th through 12th graders who have a wide range of abilities and disabilities. The problem is his students have moderate to severe disabilities and are not able to participate in general art classes. They are not able to comprehend complex lessons or complete art activities independently. The objective for this lesson plan are teach new information, increase vocabulary, increase use of technology, teach new art techniques, avoid messy mediums, and increase the life skills of self-entertainment. There are two curriculums that align with this lesson plan. One is DESI's Fine Art Standards for Visual Arts 1. There's the Creating Standard. Students will generate and conceptualize artistic ideas of work. And the Presenting Standard. Students will convey meanings through the presentation of artistic work. The other curriculum is ISTE, the Empowerment Learner Standard. Students use technology to seek feedback that informs and improves practice and demonstrates learning in a variety of ways. To begin this lesson, I will show this video, Intro to Symmetry, all about symmetry for kids. This video will increase knowledge and vocabulary. During this video, I will have pre-cut shapes on the students' desks to show understanding of symmetry. Next, they can choose one of the apps or websites I will demonstrate for them. The apps will be downloaded to their iPads prior to the lesson, and a QR code will be available if the students want to use their iPhones. I will also give the link to the website. These have a variety of difficulties and are interchangeable depending on the student's abilities. The student will choose which app they will want to be assessed for. First is the KaleidCam app. This app is the easiest to use. You use your camera to distort objects found around the room. With just the slightest movement, you create beautiful, unique patterns. The next app is the Mandala Maker, Symmetry Doodle. This app comes with a variety of brushes, stickers, and colors, but when it comes down to it, just a simple touch on the screen will create mesmerizing designs. The last piece of technology available is a website, the Inspiration Sketch and Draw. This website is super fun, but can be difficult to use. It allows for the most freedom and creativity. You choose from a variety of brushes, colors, and size axes. The downside is you need a steady hand on the mouse or touchpad. I will assess the students on their understanding of vocabulary to create original designs using new technology, capture screenshots, talk about their artwork, and then increase self-entertainment. To assess their understanding of vocabulary, I will create a scratch quiz. Scratch quizzes are fun, interactive quizzes that test students' knowledge without the stress of an actual test. Then I will assess the students' work of art. They will need to they will need to take a screenshot of their piece of art that they uniquely created and talk about how they created it and how it relates to symmetry. Last, I will collect data on which programs they chose during their free time to determine entertainment value.